Amphenol Sign Systems AT series cable assemblies are ideal in heavy-duty applications including transportation, marine, agricultural, and alternative energy. The AT series cables are available in 2 to 12 positions with up to 15 amps current rating and a 300 volts DC voltage rating. These cable assemblies feature enhanced sealing protection, ergonomic grip design, and single-ended cord set standard lengths of 1 meter, 2 meters, 4 meters, 5 meters, and 10 meters. The plug assemblies use a StructurePlus AT design that offers an engineered one-piece solid body construction specifically designed for cable assembly operations. Amphenol AT series cable assemblies have an added connector structure that results in enhanced connection integrity, which is an essential component for connecting cables in harsh environments.